Welcome. In this video, we will be explaining some of the most important tabs in our Power BI dashboard, which is used as an invaluable resource to help ourselves and our clients analyze retail data in the most efficient and insightful way possible. Starting off, we have the scorecard. The scorecard brings together core metrics like sales, inventory, and unit performance all in one snapshot. It's fast, it's visual, and it's built to be flexible so different teams can see what matters most to them. For example, sales units and sales dollars might be down, but you notice average selling price is actually up compared to 2024 and 2023. That could signal less promotional pressure or stronger full price sell-through. With one glance, you can spot what's helping and what's hurting your company. Next is the top-bottom performance page. This dashboard shows top and bottom performing inventory items over the last 12 weeks based on category averages. On the left, we see the top performing items, mostly flagged as buy, with strong performance metrics. On the right are the bottom performers, many of which are labeled for markdown or sell down. Below, the influencer analysis shows that items with lower average age in inventory are significantly more likely to be performers. This insight could help us make quicker decisions on what to reorder or phase out. You can also filter based on the performance you want for your items. The goal of this page is to quickly spot what's working and what's not, so we can take clear action based on performance trends. Next up, we have item performance. These two pages both show item-level performance analysis over the last 12 weeks. The first version includes product images, which makes it easier to visually spot trends or identify specific items at a glance, especially helpful when comparing similar SKUs across categories. The second version has the same core data but is formatted more densely, allowing for a larger item count and quicker high-level review. Both layouts break down key metrics like units sold, weeks of stock, gross profit, performance, inventory health, as well as an action for each item. In short, the first page is more visual and merchandising friendly, while the second is optimized for inventory and performance tracking at scale. One of the best features on both pages is the filtering capability at the top of the page. With just one click, you can filter by category, program, action, performance, and inventory health. It makes the dashboard really interactive and efficient to use, especially when you're analyzing a large assortment. So in this example, I am going to filter by out of stock. As you can see, the action for most of these are to discontinue the product because it's out of stock, and the performance is poor performance, but it makes it easy to have all of these things in one place. And this is just one of the many benefits of the item performance dashboard. Next up, we have the sales range page. This gives a detailed breakdown of item-level sales performance, and what makes it especially powerful is how customizable it is. You can filter by week, item, product category, and more. But beyond that, you can select exactly which fields you want to display in the table. As you can see, right now I have all of the fields selected, but if there are certain columns that you do not want displayed, you can uncheck them specifically and customize it exactly to your liking, as well as deselecting all and viewing one specific column at a time. You can filter by category, as well as change the date and search up a specific item. Next, we have the first 8 weeks performance dashboard. This page tracks how new product programs performed in their first 8 weeks of sales regardless of start date, which is a crucial window to understand early customer response. At the top, you can see a breakdown of each program by sales, ending inventory, and sell-through rate. The bar graph to the right gives a quick visual comparison of how each program stacks up, showing that Ella had the strongest performance while James underperformed. Below that, the page highlights the best and worst performing styles based on unit sell-through, so we can quickly see which SKUs are driving success and which may need markdowns or adjustments. Lastly, the bottom panels show performance by store location, helping identify strong and weak regional performance early on. Overall, this dashboard is valuable for making fast read and react decisions and adjusting future buy strategies based on what works in the first few weeks of product's life cycle. All of these dashboards are also very customizable to what you're trying to look at. For example, if you want to filter based on any of these programs, it will change the entire dashboard to what you're looking for.